I'm back. I finally got back to the boss. Maybe I'll defeat it this time. Robotnik. Oh no. Now I don't have any rings. But at least I'll be facing him with 4 lives this time. Last time I faced him with only 1 life. Ah! Ah! Oh, thank God. Oh no, that was so retarded. That was even stupider. Okay, I'm gonna do it this time. I swear to God. Oh God. Where? Oh no, I have no rings again. But at least I hit him 2 times. That was good. Three. Come on, you can do this. You can do it. Oh, that was even more retarded. I really hate this boss. God damn it. This one fucking boss. Two, three, 4. There, I hit him 4 times and I didn't lose my rings. Maybe I'll do it this time. 1. I mean, well, that's 5 times now. I gotta hit him 3 more times. Oh, come on! I hate you! Hate! Sonic, my boy, you can do this. My boy, this piece is what all true warriors strive for. Oh, no! Damn it! Damn it, damn it, damn it! This is my last chance. Don't mess this up. I hit him 3 times. You gotta hit him 5 more times. No! I was so retarded. Four. 5. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not taking any chances. I only have one life left. I have to be very careful. Is that 6 times? I gotta hit him 2 more times. Come on, 94 Supersonic. You can do it, you can do it, little guy. I think I need to hit him 1 more time. I'm not doing that. Finally! Oh my god. Sonic Adventure Act 2. Finally! So, till next time, this is 94 Supersonic, signing off.